Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting the PDFs you want to print into one folder so selection is fast and repeatable. Open a PDF utility or file manager that supports batch printing. This lets you print multiple documents in sequence without manual reopen. You should verify the target printer, paper size, and duplex preference before sending any jobs, because these settings determine layout and page order. Once those basics are set, select all the files or create a list in the app to begin the batch process. Now you configure the detailed print options so output matches your needs. Select all PDFs or import them into the batch dialog to control the sequence. Order matters for collated output. Make explicit choices for page ranges, number of copies, color versus grayscale, duplex printing, and scaling to fit paper. If the tool allows per file overrides, set them where necessary. Use the preview function to confirm page order and orientation. This prevents surprises and reduces wasted paper once you send the job. Execute the batch print and watch the printer queue to confirm each file progresses, monitoring catches errors early. If a paper jam, toner issue, or misfeed happens, pause the queue, clear the hardware problem, then resume the remaining jobs to avoid duplication. Make note of any file that printed incorrectly and reprint only that one with adjusted settings. Finally, save your configuration or create a job profile so the next time you repeat this batch it's faster and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.